Sometimes it's hard to get in shape when you don't know what you're doing. So let's look at this product. Whoa! Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the TracMe from Wave Company. These are fitness trackers, and they attach to certain sleeves that you put on your body so they can tell you what you're doing right and what you're doing wrong. This has to be one of the coolest products coming out of Korea, and you can get on it right now, and we're going to give you information in this video. So as you know, we do a full unboxing and review, so let's get into it. Come on. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. This is the TracMe from the Wave Company right here. Packaging right here is good to go. It's very nice. Right here on the top you see CES 2024. Looks like they've won some awards there, but let's open it up, and right there you'll see inside the box are the devices. And this right here, you exercise, we track, equipped with advanced motion tracking sensors and knee and elbow sleeves. Wow, TracMe. Let's go ahead and pull these out and see what else is inside. So right there on the top, you're gonna have these TracMe devices, and these plug into sleeves right here. There are 4 of these, and you'll also see they're labeled there, so very, very cool. And just so you guys see, there are 4 in the box, and on the back, they're all labeled for left or right there, so everything you need. Let's go ahead and take a look at what else is in. Looks like we have a couple of these sleeves right here, and the TracMe installs into these little button pads right here. So you're gonna have these 2 straps, then you're gonna have these 2 straps right here. So 4 straps in total. These are all gonna be your knee and elbow straps. So all 4 are included, and like I said, you just put the TracMe on there. Looks like we've got this really nice little travel case right here. So super, super cool, and it's got some kind of straps on it. So very nice, put everything you need right there. And then we're gonna have our USB cables right here, and this is to charge up the little TracMe devices. So super cool that they included. And to just show you guys what that looks like right there, so these little buttons, so you'll just be able to pop those buttons on, and then everything you need is right there. Good to go. And then you just put that around your knee or your elbow. So very, very cool. Let's go ahead and get the app installed and try it out. This is TracMe, smart wearable fitness and motion tracking technology. It's a movement tracking smart fitness solution. This comes with sleeves and an app, and the TracMe collects accurate exercise data directly from the limbs and provides personalized workout programs and data-driven analysis. So why TracMe? Well, guess what? Tailored workout plans based on user data. Customized exercise routines tailored to individual user profiles, goals, and progress, eliminating the need for manual data entry or personal trainers. And it's got AI-driven insights, delivering data-driven insights and feedback to users, fostering a more informed and effective fitness journey tailored to individual needs and preferences. Automatic exercise data collection, so offering automatic data accumulation and integration with a dedicated app, simplifying the user experience and enhancing workout efficiency and tracking convenience. With seamless movement tracking without the need for cameras, TracMe sensors integrated into knee and elbow sleeves capture precise exercise data directly from the limbs, offering a unique level of accuracy and detail. Scalability and versatile sports data analysis. The adaptability extends to analyzing various sports and exercises from home and gym workouts to outdoor activities. Capture intricate details such as movement speed and angle. When using the app, you can actually capture your individual workout routine data, taking photos of yourself to show your progress along the way, and also mentioning little notes and details that you discovered about yourself during that routine. The app is super powerful with plenty of options for you to choose from when using bodyweight workouts or dumbbells, teaching you how to get the most out of your routine. And when coupled with the tracking sensors, you're able to see exactly what kind of movements you're making and if you're doing them effectively. So if you're looking to get some of the best fitness results of your life, then I gotta say, Wave Company is super smart when they created TracMe. So I gotta say, Wave Company, this thing is awesome. TracMe, wow. Great job. This is our first time working with Wave Company, and like many of you, this is our first time hearing about Wave Company because we're Americans and they're from Korea. This thing is just so awesome. TracMe just gives you so much information on your body and how your body is reacting to fitness and what you can do to improve it and get the best result. They're making waves in Korea right now, Wave Company, and guess what? They're about to make waves in America. So we gotta give a huge shout out to Wave Company for sponsoring this video and letting us review TracMe. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap, and you can like, comment, and subscribe, and guess what? I'll see you in the next review. Bye.